Cost an arm and a leg is an idiom that means something is very expensive or costs a significant amount of money. This idiom is commonly used as a verb phrase.
The designer handbag she wanted cost an arm and a leg, but she couldn't resist buying it.
Repairing the car after the accident ended up costing an arm and a leg.
Going on a luxury cruise can cost an arm and a leg, but the experience is worth it.
I had to skip the fancy restaurant because their menu items cost an arm and a leg.
The latest smartphone model is beautiful, but also costs an arm and a leg.
We wanted to renovate the entire house, but it would cost us an arm and a leg.
Owning a house in that upscale neighbourhood would probably cost an arm and a leg.
The designer dress she wore to the party must have cost an arm and a leg.
After the storm, repairing the damages to the house would cost an arm and a leg.
I wanted to buy that rare collectible, but it was priced at an arm and a leg.
Even though the concert tickets were expensive, I bought them because it was my favourite band performing.
The price of organic vegetables can cost an arm and a leg, but they are healthier.
His dream car was finally available for sale, but it was priced at an arm and a leg.
My friend's wedding gift was extravagant and must have cost an arm and a leg.
Traveling to exotic destinations can be exciting, but it often costs an arm and a leg.
Cost an arm and a leg